So we got here the Infinix XPAD 20 Pro 4G, guys. It's very, very interesting, guys. Kasi bakit? This tablet already includes the keyboard and the pencil. They call it the 3-in-1 tablet plus keyboard plus pencil combo. And this is just worth 15,000 pesos SRP. Like, where can you find that deal right now, 2025 to 2026? So tara, unbox natin siya. Let's go. Sa likod ng box, guys, meron siyang specs, which is, it has a 12 inches, 2K display, 90 Hz for 15,000 pesos with keyboard and pencil, Helio G100 Ultimate chipset, 6.58 Ultra Slim metal unibody, a 4-speaker Symphony 360 immersion speaker system they call, 120GB of ROM plus 8GB of dynamic RAM, and it has a front camera of 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel rear camera, and meron din siyang 1 nano SIM slot plus micro SD slot in case na you need an extra expansion of a terabyte of storage, walang problema. And it has a 8,000 mAh battery and 18 watts fast charging. Like, saan nyo mahanap yun sa 15,000 pesos, guys? I cannot imagine any device right now. And it also has an Infinix AI, which pag-aaralan pa natin, guys, sa mga next video. So, first impression, and unbox lang muna tayo, guys, sa video na to. Let's see how it goes. Get it on. So, meron na siyang X Pencil 20. So, it has a feature of palm rejection, palm writing feel, 10 millisecond low latency, 4096 pressure levels, 5G touch awakens, 140 hours of battery life. Wow. And here comes the... Actually, guys, ang laki nito for 12 inches. This is the keyboard. And the quality pa lang sa box pa lang, I can say, maganda na siya. Right from the box. Ang ganda ng box in fairness, like, siyang iPad Pro natin. Okay. Don't tell me na sinamahan pa nila ng case. Meron na siyang keyboard case, but we'll find out. Sinamahan nga nila. So, you have 2 cases actually for 15,000 pesos. And this is definitely a magnetic case. Like, magkano rin sa labas yung mga ganyang cases. So, this is the tablet itself. Meron siyang mga kasama dito. So, it has a charging brick, a cable, a SIM ejector, which is hindi ko na mapakita. And I think that's it lang. And then a manual. Okay, licensed by Qualcomm, no? Okay, let's check it out. Focus on the tablet. Anong kulay yung nasa atin? Oh, this is, guys, the first look of the XPAD 20 Pro 4G 54321. Wow! It looks fancy, guys. So, try natin siya i-power on. Check natin. Maganda siya, and may kasama na siyang screen protector pre-installed automatically. Interesting, guys. So I cannot wait na gumawa ng full review about this tablet, but since this is an unboxing impression lang, so check natin siya. Setup lang natin. Wow. So this is it. Try naman natin tong keyboard niya. So na keyboard, it has a manual na hindi natin babasahin. Wow. Hindi yung quality, So ito yung magnetic case niya. I believe this is a real magnetic case. Pag nagkamali ako dito, ewan ko na lang. Yes, it's magnetic nga. Ay! Hindi pala siya magnetic. Okay, so sad. Then try naman natin right now itong keyboard niya, bro. Like, wow. So nice. And, boom! So, paano ito bubuksan? I believe it's gonna be here sa gilid niya. Pair natin. So, di-Bluetooth siya. Pair new device. Ganda, XPAD 20 Pro keyboard. Pair. Try natin mag-type sa notepad. James Afante, sobrang pogi ko talaga. Grabe. Oh my. Try natin yung the X Pencil 20. Infinix are starting to really impress me, So it has a 180 mAh battery. It has a Type-C charging. Wow, sulit to, boy. Hindi wala siyang wala siyang power. Meron ba tayo dyan? Ay, kasi bag ko. Meron tayong power bank. Plug-in ko na rin sa video na to. So, ito sobrang sulit tong power bank na to, guys. Kasi bakit? It has a Type-C and it has a lightning at the same time. Compatible din sa mga fast chargers. So, ngayon, i-charge natin siya dito. Ayun, sa low-bat nga siya. Ay! Gumagana na pala siya straight away. Okay. Kala ko kailangan pa siya i-pair. Ang galing! So, di mo na kailangan i-pair. Okay, try naman natin mag-drawing. Uy, maganda siya, Okay. Starting to impress me there, Infinix, So yeah, gawa tayo ng full review, guys, ng tablet na to sooner or later. So comment nyo din sa baba kung gusto niyo ng full review of this tablet. And probably baka magpag-giveaway din tayo, so abangan ninyo. Yun lang. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James Diferno. So abangan nyo yung full review natin about this tablet. See you there. Bye.